17 plus parenthesis 6 minus 3 times 3. In our parenthesis, 6 minus 3 will give us 3. Then we have 17 plus 3 times 3. 17 plus 3 will give us 20. Then we have 20 times 3. 20 times 3 is equals to 60. 60 is wrong because we do not work with the order of operation. According to the order of operation, we have parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. The order of operation. Mind you, multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right, in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve our parentheses because it comes first. Now, our parentheses, we have 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 will give us 3. Then we have 17 plus 3 times 3. Now, we have an addition and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before addition. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then we have 17 plus 9. 17 plus 9 will give us 26. 26 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.